Hello, this is Mrs. Coffee. I'm going to do an experiment today called Big Air. This is from the EPIC book that we read in class. So it says heat causes gases to expand or spread out. Try this experiment to trap expanding air. So what you will need is a latex balloon, a plastic bottle, 2 large bowls, and your sink. So what we're going to do is gather our materials first. So you can see I have set up, this is a bowl of hot water that just came out of the tea kettle. It's very hot. And then I have a bowl of ice water. You can see the ice in there. And then I have a plastic water bottle with a balloon on top. So those are our materials that we need for this experiment. So on the bowl on the left is the hot water. So we're going to put our water bottle into the hot water and see what happens. Okay, so I want you to watch the balloon. Okay, so we're letting the air inside of the bottle warm up from the heat of the water. So if you see the balloon, you can see that the balloon is starting to expand with air. The reason this is happening is because the molecules inside of the water bottle are heating up. And we know that when we heat up molecules, they bounce farther apart and start knocking into each other. So they're expanding. The molecules get bigger and spread apart. So now I gave it a little bit of help, but you can see our balloon is expanded and inflated when you have the water bottle sitting in the hot water. The hot water makes the air inside of our water bottle heat up and expand, and the molecules start spreading farther apart until they run out of room in the bottle and they go all the way up into our balloon. Okay, so now we're going to do the next part. We're going to put our water bottle and our balloon into the cold water and see what happens to the balloon. Okay, immediately you can see our balloon deflated and it flopped over the side. That is because when molecules that are cold are together in that bottle, now they don't have room to expand, they start contracting and they come together. So cold molecules stick together like this picture here. The molecules are contracting and moving close together in the cold water, and the balloon flopped over the top. And we could reverse that again by putting our water bottle back in the hot water, and then you will see the molecules will start to expand. You can see the balloon is starting to inflate again. The molecules are spreading apart and bouncing around close to each other, and it'll start expanding even more and inflate that balloon in just a moment. There it goes. So it's starting to inflate again. So you could do this over and over and over again, as long as you have the hot water and the cold water and the balloon on top of your water bottle. You could try this at home as long as you have parent supervision because of the hot water. All right, I hope you enjoyed this experiment with expansion and contraction due to the molecules spreading apart or contracting.